channel, and what a lovely day to be sharing with you about a very special thrifted item and how I came across it. For those of you new here, hello, my name is Loki and I indulge in all things luxury from vintage to pre-loved, and I do love talking about leathers. So if you're into this content and love such amazing finds, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and join my community. Oh, and do hit that notification bell to get regular updates when I upload new videos. For those of you who have been supporting and sticking with me, you know what an old soul I am. I love vintage luxury and get super excited when I score an amazing find from flea markets, Sunday markets, or odd shops. Luxury doesn't have to be expensive, and you can definitely see it from many perspectives. Of course, purchasing something directly from the luxury boutique will give you that level of excitement of scoring something brand new. From the feel of the touch and smell, basically the entire luxury experience. Hence, more often than not, people hype over small things like customer service, little freebies if it came with ribbons or a box, etc. because it is after all part and parcel of the luxury experience. And if you worked hard for your money and if you intend to indulge in luxury, you would expect to experience that level of luxury service. On the other hand, I also do get the thrill of hunting pre-loved. However, this level of experience is incomparable to what you would get in a luxury boutique. Imagine going through the trash and treasure market, flipping and scoring through tons and tons of items that may or may not interest you. I also do enjoy chit-chatting with the store owners about their goods. Anyway, let's get into the main story. I do apologize for not doing a vlog for thrifting this gem, but if I had known back then that I will be starting a YouTube channel today, I would definitely have recorded the entire experience of thrifting and purchasing this gem. Okay, so this beautiful gem was purchased about 10 years ago, and my husband scored this while he was living in France. So there was this trash and treasure market called Marché du Petit, where I'll put the name down here, where this gem was found. And so he recalls finding it in a suitcase stacked with other leather bags. You know, in trash and treasure markets, some people choose to display items in large suitcases, opened up with all the goodies inside. So let me show you this beauty of a find. Alright. Whoops. And this gorgeous beauty did not come with a dust bag. And let's have a look. Alright, so this piece is a beautiful classic which has clearly seen better days. But for those of you who are vintage collectors, you would know what an amazing find this is. There you go. So I have looked up several pre-loved websites for the name of this item, and it is called the Hermès document folder. Initially, I thought it was a laptop case, but they didn't have laptops back then as laptops were not invented yet. So this is a super original Hermès folder, but the leather quality is amazing. I mean, you have to feel it to experience it. It feels buttery smooth, almost like lambskin or swift, or maybe goatskin, as I don't see any veining in the leather. I am contemplating if it is box cuff, but it is way too flexible and soft to be box cuff. One thing is, the region where it folds here, you can see cracking in the leather, and the zipper part here is ripped, which is all part of the wear and tear. We were thinking if this is worth restoring it back to its beautiful, you know, the way it is, or to leave it as it is. So do leave me some comments in the comment section below on what I should be doing with this piece. Contrary to how it looks on the exterior, this super vintage folder is amazing in quality on the interior. Now, this has one middle flap with split patch pockets, which looks absolutely pristine in condition. On the flip side, anteriorly, It comes in a luxurious smooth suede finish, which does not have mold stains at all or stains of any sort. I have looked through this bag thoroughly and cannot find any blind stems for the life of me. I will be doing a separate video on how to authenticate such a super old vintage Hermes bag, and I will talk about some history and date stamps from the different eras. So do remember to catch that video for any of you collecting vintage Hermes bags. This thrifted Hermes document folder is definitely a score of a vintage gem from the trash and treasure market. I would love to restore this piece back to its former beauty. I think, moving forward, I will be discussing with my Hermes sales associate and Hermes spa specialist at my local boutique on how best it can be restored. We did mention briefly to him the last time we were at the store, but of course describing the condition is tough to make any decisions about this. I will definitely keep you guys updated on the progress and our decision once we have discussed with the Hermes specialist. Thank you again for coming and sharing my joy of finding a thrifted gem. I hope you enjoyed today's video and do hit that subscribe button and join my family. If you enjoy content about thrifting luxury goods, do let me know because I am super good at it. Have a blessed week and take care, luxurious queens. Goodbye!